Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you here. So then you click here on post here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find here popular posts everywhere here. Click in this sign on this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean popular posts everywhere, notifications disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.